Show season is here, and it goes hand in hand with high performance diesels. On the lift, we got a limited Longhorn build, a 5th gen. It's paint matched from head to toe. But we're not talking about my build today. We're talking about your 5th gen build. Now, if you've been shopping with us, just like this customer, maybe you've just purchased one of our Billet badass valve covers. Well, guess what? You've got to route hoses from that valve cover down to something that holds engine oil. Now what you're thinking, the easiest thing to do is this. Just take those hoses, put this little catch can here right beside the valve cover. Well, there is a problem, and at Point Blank Performance, we have a standard. We want something simple, we want something clean, but I want it to look like an OEM install. So the question is, where are we going to mount this Billet catch can? We're underneath your 5th gen Ram build. Take a look, our fast fuel system is here. If you missed that install video, check it out right here. Click that link. To the right of it, I'll be damned, there is a factory rib nut. That looks like a good spot to me to mount this big ass catch can. What do you know? That's exactly what we did. We wanted to engineer a product so when you're underneath your truck, you're changing your fast fuel system, you're getting these filters changed, you can drain that catch can. How hard is it to put our bracket on? Well, let's count. We got 1 second here, 2 seconds here, don't drop it, 3 seconds here, 4, 5, we're done. Now you can take your catch can and you can mount it here, run your hoses to it, and you're done. But if you're feeling like Bob the Builder today, the beauty of this product, it's an M8 125. You can take your drill gun and you can drill anywhere in this frame and you can put your newfound catch can bracket and install it anywhere. Or you can be like us, make it clean, simple, and easy, and your job is done. One billet mounting solution, 3 bolts to take the guess game out of where am I going to mount my billet catch can. Underneath our 5th gen truck, we already have our stage 1 low pressure fuel system. We've got to maintenance that truck. We've got to change those filters. Better yet, you've got to change them. And when you do that, wouldn't you like to go ahead and drain your catch can all at one time? I know I would. That's the whole reason behind the product, to make your install and life easier. Guys, this product is for show or no show. It's for all 5th gen Ram owners that have a billet valve cover and need to route their crankcase hoses to a catch can. You can jump over to pointblankperformance.com. Yes, it comes in black. Also, you can get it in raw and powder coat this thing because we're talking about show vehicles, race vehicles, off-road vehicles. We just love diesels. Make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time here at Point Blank Performance.